Alright guys, so in this video you will learn about the pull command. What is pull command? How does it work? Everything about pull command. So let's get started. Alright. So guys, this is my Git repository. This is my GitHub account. Okay. So suppose I just like this repository. Okay. So I just want to work on this project. What I mean here that I just want to modify this project in my own style. Now, how I can do that? I just can do that by two means. Either you can click here and just download a zip file, and you will extract, when you will extract it, you will get a folder in which these all files will present. Okay, these all files. But this tutorial is all about pull command. You know very well guys, this is too easy. Just download zip and you will get all things. How we can do that? First of all, you just need to make a folder where you want all these files. These files. All right, so let's make a folder on the desktop. Let's name it meals app. All right, so now we have created a folder. So first of all, we have to go a git bash. As I already told you that we will just execute all the git commands here in the git bash. Okay, just go to here. First of all, before executing pull command, you have to initialize a git, a empty git repository, which is empty local repository. All right, where in the meal apps, of course, because here we want to execute a pull command. So just navigate to the meals app here, over in the meals app. Right now we have to initialize a git. How we can do that? Just by executing this command git in. Okay, so we have initialized a git repository. As I told you at the very beginning that it's a kind of you could say a ticket, that we are just giving a ticket to this folder that hey, now you are eligible to perform all the commands on the GitHub. It might be push command, pull command, or any other commands. So now we have just given the ticket to that folder. So right now you need to pull all this content from this repository to where? To here, which is a meals app folder. How you can do that? Just first of all, go here, copy the URL of this repository. Okay, after this go to your git bash, here type command git pull, that's all, and after this paste the URL of that git repository which you want to pull. Now see, there is nothing. All right, now hit the enter button, and you need an internet to execute this command, of course. All right, everything has been done. Here you can see now you have got all the files same as here. Yes, indeed. So this is how pull command works. Now by the pull command you can just pull anyone's repository. So this is how pull command works. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video and share, of course, if you find it helpful.